don't we? A giant sign. Oh my, get some of the mud off of there. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get that one up out of here. We can clean it off a little bit. Ooh, that's a big boy. That's a big boy. Ay, ay, ay. That's a big boy. Darn. I don't know if I could maybe pull it up towards shore. I don't know. That's a nice sign though. Road work ahead. That's a big boy. Woo-wee. Oh, I got underneath it. Oh dear. Now what do I do with it? Now what do I do with it? I don't want to hit that steel wall. Oh dear. I'm on that thing now too. I'll stay away from that steel wall, which is the best way to go with it. I don't know if there is a best way. I can't manhandle it. Oh dear. I can't manhandle that myself. Whew. I'm afraid if I go over, try to go down below that bank and pull from over there, that I'm going to hit that steel wall. But the current's taking me now, so I'm going to have to figure something out. Oh, I got it loose, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to get that bad boy out of there. That's a big one. Okay, gotta get some water. Think about this. If nothing else, I might be able to drag it up over there and prop it up so the city can see it there, because there's nowhere to haul it. County Seed Adventures will do our best to get that out of the water.